Good morning, everyone. I apologize for the delayed start today. I was up until 2 a.m. magnetizing models, and also doing work. Because, yeah, I really like to magnetize my Warhammer models. Because I don't want to pay $180 for some plastic. repeated plastic. So, yeah, you can actually see. So, hey, Frap, glad to have you here. Well, we are. So, yeah, I don't want to spend $180, so I was trying to magnetize a model. I'll just pull it up. Oh, that's snoot stuff. That's hobby video game development. That's right. Your boy does full-time video game development right here, and he develops video games as a hobby. Okay, so I was doing this last night. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh my god. So, this is, just to talk a little bit about this. So the way in which Games Workshop, the creator of Warhammer, does their models is that you're supposed to glue them on, but glue them on and you're locked in. See, the thing is that really screws you out of a lot of money and incentivizes you. So I got myself some magnets from the Magnet Baron, and as you can see here, I've magnetized them all. If you see that little red dot on screen chat, that allows me to, that it magnetizes, and then you just put them on like this, just boom, and then yeah, and you can swap out all the various parts. So we have this, put that on. Then you just simply take them off and you can play another profile on the tabletop. It's really nice. And it's saving me, I've spent in total around $100 on this, and it's saved me 80 because it's expecting me to. Dang, that's so cool. Thanks, Frap. So yeah, it's expecting there. If I were to do all three variations, actually there's a whole bunch. I'm actually saving more than. So you don't have to have 50 billion of the same units with every configuration. Yeah, essentially. It's really, it saves a lot of money if you're playing like Space Marines or Guard, or any of the whatchamacallit, any of the Imperium models. From what I can tell, you just save a lot of money. But that is not what you are here for. If you do not know who I am Kailoulou. I am the founder and lead creative director at Farall Studios, and yeah, I am the guy that wears many hats, and today we are developing the game. It is called Penumbras, and it is a game where you command a squad of religious unicorn deer that fight against shadowy abominations over evidence to hunt down the recently convicted heretic known as Callisto. And you take this evidence to the board, and you have to piece together the whole entire conspiracy surrounding this heretic, and you uncover the secrets of Servinae, the holy city of Servinae. So yeah, I remember trying to do what I got with my Rhino, because it came with two different cannons on top. Yeah, but I never assembled it anyway. Yeah, that would do it. There was this one guy called Eons of Battle. He managed to fully magnetize a Bane blade, which was crazy. Alright. Okay. Let's see. So on Monday, what happened was that on Monday we had a null pointer error. We had a memory read error in our project, and I spent 2 hours trying to debug that, and then I was like, oh, there's nothing interesting. But oh yeah, that's right, FOV. Look at that. So let's play. Fuck. Same memory address. Maybe a rumba. So, okay. Guess what I'm doing right now? What you doing right now, Frap? I'm sure it's more excited than me figuring it out. I'm doing license translation for game. Ooh, look at you. Sensibilité de la cerise sound. How does sensibilité de la cerise sound to you? The mouse's sensibility, or sensibility of the mouse. Sounds nice. It sounds pretty nice, yeah. It actually doesn't sound like a bunch of bullshit. Sensibilité de la souris. Squeak, squeak. Squeak, squeak. Oh, fuck. Great, I'll tell ChatGPT it did great. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Why are you doing that, Frap? Why the fuck are you telling ChatGPT to translate the game into French? Why? I have no choice. I mean, no, just no. No, don't translate the game using only ChatGPT. It's not even your native tongue. Well, it's not only French. Brother, I got some news for you. You are way in over your head. I feel like you're about to... you ever see those... Hold on. You ever see those like really poorly translated Chinese games into English? That just makes no sense. Or like those shitty electronics that you just know where the translation was just like the last thing they thought about. I feel like your workplace's condition is very similar. I played a bunch of Japanese games that run on injected Google Translate. This shit is hilarious. Alright, I want to see. Alright. I want to see, if you're at liberty to do so, I want to see some of these lines that you've translated into French. Okay. Well, I think. Anyways, I got off track because Frapp wanted to talk about his translation. Me, it's not interesting at all. It's very not interesting. So not interesting. I can't play my build. Observer les chiens équilibre sur deux peut-être et appuyer sur AD pour ajuster sa position, ne le laissez pas tomber. Okay, that's not bad. That's actually not bad. I can't play this game. I literally can't play it because something... I'm having a memory read error, which is fan-fucking-tastic. So, what we're gonna do is that we're gonna go into just chatting for a little bit, because, I have to re-import the fucking project. I'm going nuclear. Like, there's no other reason. Like, I've deleted my let's troubleshoot. 1, I've deleted my binaries. Here, I'll even show you. So we're gonna launch on the project in debug mode. Do I have the breakpoint put in? Okay, I gotta figure out this breakpoint really quick. Okay. When we play, goes to here. Exception thrown. Read access violation. This was null pointer. Status effects refer. This is this. If that makes sense, chat. That's essentially just saying, hey, I've got an object I'm pointing to myself. So, like, say I'm an object, I point to myself. So, this is null pointer. Here, I'll even pull it up. Look at this. Look at this, chat. Why are you like that? Why are you like this? Okay, you guys see it? Alright, I can see it on my screen. Alright, so, we have this. Okay, cool. Status effects. Unable to read the fucking memory. Raw view. Unable to read the memory. Unable to read memory. Unable to read memory. Why? And then, hold on. Let's go to character data. Ooh, look at this. Character data. And then if we go to, character data, initial armor, portrait, sight, stamina subclasses. Okay, never mind. Not that. Anyways, status effects is just null. it's unable to display the value. Nobody else is getting it on the team, so that means that for some reason the memory address is not there. I don't, yeah, you guys can see it. It's right next. It's like. Wait, no, it's like. Boom, like right there. Yeah, right there. Oh wait, no, I'm getting it fucking wrong. It's this way. It's this way. I'm looking at my live stream. Why am I looking at the... Huh, that's weird? Yeah, it is very weird. So we are just going to stop this build. So, yeah. I think what may be happening is that I haven't fully purged. That's probably what's happening. Control Shift S. What's probably happening is that I think what's happening is that it looks like I have 2 copies of this project for some reason. Let's run it on this version of this. I have 2 workspaces. I have my 2310 workspace and my 9531 workspace. 2310. So this is the instance on a 2310 workspace. That crashes. Same memory address. 2310. Okay, so that also crashes. I think it's just because I have two workspaces. What's this one in? 2310. Okay, we're working in 2310, so I'm gonna delete. I'm gonna go into. I'm gonna go into my 9531 space. What we're gonna do, yeah, 9531 is the bad one. So 9531, all of this, deleted. Because it probably is like, what the hell, dude? The hell's going on? And then recycle bin, empty recycle bin. Permanently delete these 25 items. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. There we go. 8K items. And then, hopefully, we don't need to go full nuclear just yet. And then what we're going to do is that we're just going to clean up my workspace. Whatever you haven't pushed to remote is the issue, I guess. I think it's what I'm solving right now because I had 2 conflicting. So 9531. Yep, there's nothing there. I think I had 2 binaries trying to read. 2 binaries trying to read and trying to access at the same time the memory, and the memory was like, no. Where are you stuck? Come on. There we go. resource default RC2. Okay, so now we are rebuilding. I haven't seen this when I attempted to rebuild my shit. So, yeah. Oh, this week, while we're waiting for that, this week I'm actually going to be releasing the development newsletter. Yeah, it will show up. The development newsletter for edition 2 of Penumbras. So we'll build that. Build completed. We're going to be so just to give you guys a quick sneak peek into what we are going to be doing, we need some further help testing. Right now, like, the investigation loop of the game makes sense to me, but I'm like super worried that it won't make sense to people because it's kind of abstract at the same time, and so it's kind of abstract. And the flow feels a bit awkward, but I don't know how to put my finger on it. Control Alt F11, play, crashed. Whatever you haven't pushed to remote is the issue, I guess. I haven't tampered with any of the files that are causing issues, so to say. But I will... No updated files. Okay. There's no other explanation. There could, yeah. So what that could be is that we could go into the source through Metropolis, Ian Battle, check out. What other stuff have I touched? EM character, I've touched that. Check out. Okay, let's submit this. I do have a bunch of like unchecked files. Ten files edited. Source control log fired off. Okay. And what we're going to do is that we're going to just delete these binaries. Control Shift S. Oh, because they're in use right now, and that makes sense. I'm going to delete that, and then we're going to go into here. You pinged me. So, Frapp, have you translated all... exciting. I'm gonna... Oh, fuck. There we go. It's not as bad. Have you translated... part of... How much have you translated the game? Delete the binaries. There's a lot of it. How much is a lot? Crashes. Okay, I guess I can't work on specifically on turn order, which means I probably have to nuke the project again. Ah! That's so stupid, dude. There's 14 tables with most of them having 20 keys. That is going to be 280 keys, each in 16 language. 280 times 16. That's going to be 2008. 2800 times 6. 2800 times 6. That's 28 times 6. That's 48. 108. 1080. That is going to be 3080. 3080. Let me pull that up. That's a fuck ton. 14 times 20, that's 280 times 60 is 448. 4480. Some tables like quests and actions have more entries. Ugh. So a lot of copy pasting done by my coworker Lamau. Nice. That's the investigation board. I can't tamper around with that. But I also need to get that done. Okay. Excuse me. Okay, we're gonna change this. Where's my text? Working on investigation. Board. There we go. Alright, so I can't work on the actual like physical game mode at this time, but I can do the actual investigation board. Okay, so check level up, check create a home game. Go to this. Nope. Image. Delete that image. What we'll do is that we'll what we'll do is that we are going to take a lot of this stuff. Alright, I don't need this. Okay. This is so shitly organized. Ugh. Alright. So, what we need forge. Better name that. Vertical box. And then barracks. So, what we're gonna do Hello, sorry for bothering you. Well then. Oh, hello me. You're not sorry. Get out of here. Yeah. Don't panhandle your goods to me. Alright, war room. Oh, nice promoting time, I know, right? Don't panhandle your goods to me, feller. Love me some promotion, yeah. what you can do. Yeah, don't reach out to me if you really want to. Promote, get into my DMs on like Twitch or Discord or whatever. Don't go into my live chats. That's not the place to promote shit. You know what chat is for? It is for shit posting and talking game dev. That's what it's for. Now learn your lesson, feller. Also, why view bots? Why would you ever want view bots? Now that doesn't need extra promotion. That's gonna get clipped. Okay. Cheese. Gromit, where's the cheese? Okay. War room. What we're gonna do is I'm gonna repurpose this into excuse me. Don't click me. Don't click me. Select mission. Well, I posted it on your Discord too. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Thanks, Quiv. Now you got twice. Don't click me. Please. Oh, wait. Don't click me. Don't click me. War room. I'm gonna add a new button to this vertical box. Actually, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just Control D that. Don't click me, and then Actually, you know what? I'm actually gonna not even do that. We're just gonna do this. I'm actually gonna go into the investigate board war room button, and on clicked. We're actually gonna change this code. On clicked. War room. All right, what we're gonna do? War room. F2. Investigation board, and then what we're gonna do is that all this previous code is gonna go. I've been working too much in Figma. I'm trying to use middle mouse to move my stuff, but it's right mouse now. Investigation board. Clicked on that. Don't click me. What does click me do? Okay. This is a bunch of trash. What is this? Yeah, I'm just gonna delete that. That's just a bunch of trash. Delete that. Don't click me. That's more trash. That's more trash. Wait, hold on, construct. No, that's just more trash. And then more trash. If all buttons are hidden, put that over here. Trash. 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 It's trash. That's trash. Event tick. Don't want to do that. I'll use that sparingly. Do that. And then move this up here. And then we're going to make this. We're going to change this and then change that. Okay, cool. Just clean that. Just clean this thing up. Yay! It's all clean. It's all clean, chat. Alright. Time to unclick. Create widget. Okay, add to viewport. Any of these playable? Any of these usable? No, it's just a horizontal box square. Motherfucker. You're about to make this a whole lot cooler. You're about to make this a whole lot cooler, chat. Investigation board. Okay, I don't want that right now. Alright, UI home base. Investigation board. Create widget, you can zoom in. Unreal. Hey, you know what you should do? You should follow me. You should follow Far Out Studios on Twitch. You know what? There we go. I'm figuring this out. I'm figuring out live streaming. There we go. Okay, there we go. Now, let's get into this. All right, chat. Bot's gone. The bot's gone. We're gonna keep on working on this. Okay, so home base investigation board. You know what? 2 ways scroll box. Let's see. Here's another idea. First idea: pack a second scroll box into an existing one. First one vertical, second one horizontal. Nest two canvases and shift one in the other. The top one is the size of the interchangeable area. The inner one is much larger than the screen. You'll be shifting this in one about. It will house all the icons and whatnot. On mouse down captures the attention of the top canvas. On mouse move. When I experience H. You know what's Panable widget, Unreal Engine. Cool. Dash. There's nothing. Alright, you know what, chat? Let's do it. Blueprint. Widget. Blueprint class. No. What the fuck? UI. Widget. User widget. WB. Investigation. Board. Overview. Board. Timeline. Create timeline. Line Unreal Engine. Okay, so that's an actual thing. Okay, so we're gonna obviously first start out with the canvas panel. Always start out with the canvas panel, chat. How big is this canvas panel? Not big enough because our project demands 1920 by 1080. And then what we're gonna do is that we are going to then we're gonna nest another canvas panel within that. Make that as big as that. Anchors. Put that in. And then what we're gonna do is that we're gonna put in an image. Boom. Boom. Boom, boom. Lock that in. Boom. Oh. Can't edit that. No. I want this. And what we're gonna do and then we're just gonna make this purple. Make this purple, and then what we're gonna do is have chat. What we're gonna try to do is that we're gonna make this panel. Oh boy! Oh boy! Boy! Oh boy! Mouse listener. I need a mouse listener. Custom. On. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, so we have this purple box, and like if I'm moving this purple box, I want to move this purple box so that when I have this purple box, yeah, it's purple box. So if I move my cursor, I'm like panning it. So like if I move, it goes like that way. It moves around and it responds to my mouse input, kind of like this as like the investigation board. And then like they can zoom out, it zooms out, but right now let's just figure out the panning and all of that fun stuff. So if I have Pannable widget, Unreal Engine. Let's see what other Unreal Engine. I'd like to know the same thing too. How to make zoom one Pannable widget. That's newbie. Cool. I've already deleted that. Let's see. Let's just see here. We've got Pannable widget. Pannable widget. I need a mouse listener. Mouse listener. Widget. Getting mouse position and UMG widget. Started playing. It seems like a. Basically, I have to roll the fingers. A HUD, draw a HUD towards. How do I? Oh. Cool. Okay, so I want to get the player controller, and then I want to get mouse position, location X and Y. UMG. Getting resolved by UMG. Though they're more complicated. The more complicated that seems necessary, as I'm just pulling this up. As this. Hello, I found the answer to the question. The system works without fail. Event tick. Yep, it's probably going to be a ticking. Get mouse position, return value. Boom, boom, boom. Set render translation. Oh. Ooh. Ooh. That's nice. Okay. I'm gonna follow this code really quick. Without fail, I am very sus about that, bud, but yeah. Okay. So event tick, yep, that makes sense. Branch that. Alright. Chat. So event tick is like, imagine I'm like always monitoring my screen. That's what ticking for anything that changes. That's what event tick does. Or no, fires every single frame. Set render transition. Make vector 2D Y, get position, button, image 40, slot as canvas slot. The hell does that do? Get position, get size. Oh, it's starting to, the neurons are starting to fire off. Oh, get viewport scale, divide, subtract, get that, and then what does this do? Okay, and then what we're gonna do is that we're actually gonna make this board timeline like this. Oh, okay. Look at that. See that, chat? It works. But now it's bound to my mouse. It needs to not be bound by my mouse. So what we need to do here is event tick, get player controller, left, click. Mouse, okay, so get player controller, let's choose I think I may just have to do that. Then, okay. We're cooking here, chat. We're cooking. We may be cooking here. Okay, why are wait. Okay. Okay, I see it. What's the final product that he produces? Okay, so that's just a click and pointer game. So he just bound. Okay, so in that tutorial, that guy just bound the app, which is good, which is cool. I can definitely take advantage of that, but I want to make it a paintable, like drag and paintable screen, because like I want you as the player to kind of like physically interact. You're physically interacting, like the actual panning like represents that you're moving, and it's an actual board, and it's your eyes and concentration and all that stuff. Oh, big stretch. Oh my god! Hello, chat. Okay. Let's see the design principles. Make panable board. Make panable board. Use SVG pattern elements to add a grid to your SVGs. Define the grid in one place and apply it to a rect, which will use as a backdrop to your scraps combined with D3. Zoom's functionality, this can connect. I don't want an infinite grid. Okay. Let's see. Function. Zoom event. Scalable vector graphics, content inside of group adjacent to. I'm looking at other code to see what their principles are. So if we break this down, constant SVG, create constant grid size. Okay, that's just defining the grid. SVG to add pattern units, user space 1, space on use, X, Y, 0. Zooming and panning, SVG. Zoom event that transform X. Okay, so you get like you create a zoom event of some kind. whatchamacallit. And then transform. Okay, so what happens? So the flow is that it binds the X and zoom. Okay, tribute X, select all. So that's a for loop. Grabs all the elements currently within the UI, and then transform. That's the scale. Content append. Okay, rect. RX. Okay. Okay, so that's interesting. Fuck out of here. Whiteboards are great since the pandemic. Shut up. X and Y offset. Okay, so yeah, grab the delta. Coordinates of every line we've drawn, redraw the canvas. Okay, so that's the event. So that can be into the event tick. Okay, Pythagoras theorem, don't really care about that. Okay, you know what? But I do have an idea of, like, what I need. So get player controller, zoom. Okay. Let's see. Get player controller, event tick, delta time, branch, set render translation. Okay, chat, what I'm trying to do right now is that I need to get... I have the right idea with the delta. I have the delta, choose how far the mouse moved this frame. I want this to be a left click. I want this to be a left click. I'm going to add a comment. Add comment to selection. I want the characters. I want the map to be panable. I want the board to be panable with LMB. Left mouse button. Okay, cool. Oh! Excuse me. Left mouse button. So then, if I have this with the, if I get that panable with the left mouse button, I get the input mouse delta and all of that stuff. But maybe you don't want to hear me rambling on and on and on. But chat, if you would like to, I would love to hear about your day and how it's going. You wonderful, wonderful bastards. No, I shouldn't call you bastards, people. Whatever. I don't care. This is Penumbras. It is a game where you command unicorn deer fighting against eldritch abominations to recover evidence, to figure out secrets of the holy city of Servine. Okay, and right now I am trying to figure this out with all of this. Okay, so let's see. Create this and then Okay. Okay, so that works. I have that. And then listen for LMB Unreal widget. Is there an enhanced input equivalent for listen for input action? Add that palette to that, and then we can do that, and then whatchamacallit, we're gonna figure that out, and then event tick delta time. Okay. Is there an enhanced input? I could, that's input. That's panel. A panel for defining a region of the UI that allow users to drag the window on desktop platforms. Oh, cool. That's cool. Menu anchor. The Throbbler chat. The Throbber. It's not a loading icon. It's the Throbber. 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 Uh, Ooh, okay. Ooh. Gets the player controller. Creates a new event. Okay, on construct. And then okay. Alright, on clicked, touched actor. Ooh. Let's see what this does. What? Hmm. Oh. Cool. Okay, what is this? Mm-mm-mm. On mouse button. Hold on, I may be over-engineering this. Nice. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm. Mm-hmm. Okay, okay. We're working here, chat. All right, so we've got that. Ease key down. Left mouse button. Now the issue is that it pans to the top left of the mouse object, which makes sense because that's how UIs work. So we've got that. Event tick. Get input mouse delta. What does this do? It gets the DPI scale and target is. Make vector 2D. Okay. Get position. Get position. Set render translation. Input key. Fucking Megatron. Whatever. Music? Yeah, music's. Yeah, my headphones are just off. Okay, so we've got that. I want the board to be pinnable with LMB, get input mouse delta, get mouse position. Hmm. 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 What if I just do that? What will that do? Okay, so that just puts it in place. What about this? What happens with this? Are you the problem child? Okay. And this makes you the problem child. And this makes you the problem child. Problem child is gone. The problem child is gone. The child is gone. So that means you are going to 0-0. Means you're going to 0-0. Get position. Gets the position of the slot. What's your... slot as canvas slot? If I go over here, yay, and then what if I go over here? It's just gone. It's just gone, Chad. No. No. Oh, cool. You know, it's probably going to do the same thing. if I make this a variable? What if I make this a variable? Okay. Image 40. Oh, it's gone. It's just gone, chat. Just bye-bye. Bye-bye. Ooh, good shit. Oh, yeah, that's good. Oh, that's good shit. Oh. Tuli, thank you very much for the follow. Appreciate it. Oh. Thank you very much for following us. Hope you're keeping well. Hope you are keeping well. Slot as canvas slot. Hey, Tuli. Oh, shit. Image 40. Get viewport scale, get position, get size. Okay, set render transition. Blah, blah. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Okay, fine, you may be right. Okay, make vector 2D. So we make a vector that just tells it. Okay, that's just a line. Get position, get size. That makes 2D vector XY. Okay. What the? Huh, cool. So what if we get that and then put that in here? Huh. Purple square is moving. Okay, so this works. I'm gonna put a comment here. Put a comment here. Now what we're gonna do is that canvas panel 141. Get that. Get canvas panel. Get all children, return value. For each loop. So if we do that, Control S, and we save that, play that. Nope, just play. Ah. I know what it is. Functions. Move children. Move children. The child. This will give me a vector 2D structure. Local input. Inputs. Vector 2D. Vector 2D structure. Delta. Designer. And then widget object reference. Widget object reference. Nope. Thank you. New param. Widgets. And then what we're going to do is that we're going to get an array of them. And then go to the event graph. And then canvas panel that. And then get that. And then canvas panel. And then we get all the children. Get children. Get all children. And then move children. Target. Self. And then delta. And then move children for each loop. Array element. Set render translation. And then add a reroute node. Put that in, put this in, put that in, boom, boom. Reroute this, and then voila, it should be working. Boom, boom. Control S this, and then boom. And then, what the? Like this. Cool. That moves all the children. So, getting myself set up for that. Graph, move children, comment. This function moves all of the children in the panelable canvas. So what if I were to put a child all the way up here? Okay, so now I have to grab the... Okay, so there's the issue. So I'm gonna make this a whole lot fucking bigger. So chat, the issue is right now, I've tried to play this. I can only go so far. So, I can only go so far with all of this. Set, render, translation, move children, etc., etc. Is input key down? Okay, so we're cooking here, chat. We're cooking. Make vector 2D for each loop. Okay, so this can go bye-bye. This can go bye-bye. Bye-bye. Canvas panel. Just make sure that everything works. Oh. Nope. This needs to be fixed. Come on. To do. Fix. Need to find some way to anchor the panning. Okay, because right now what I'm trying to do fix the pan to anchor the panning that is not a image. Okay. What if I do this? What the fuck? What in the goddamn? Okay, this can go. Okay, so the position's always resetting. So why is it always resetting? Up, down, left, right, up. Okay. All right. So we have an input key down. Delta. That just. Oof. Oh, you know what it should be? Subtract. Hmm. 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 Uh. Okay. So that makes the point. Divide that by the scale. Yep. Get position. Okay. Get size. We move all the children in the canvas panel. Yep. So it keeps on updating it to this new position. The issue is, okay, so variables. Let's say mouse moved. Mouse moved, and then 2D vector. Store position. Position 2D vector. So Okay. So, destinations, event tick, branch, add children, move children, set position. Move that, and then, set position. My brain go. Brain is. Okay. Mouse moved. Branch. Branch on this. Branch on this, motherfucker. So if that's true, reroute node. If not, do that. Man. No, there's got to be a simpler way. So okay. What if I don't make that? Man, why am I not getting this at all? Hmm. Granola. Okay. So I've got a box. And it's drawn with a bunch of pixels. And I want to move it this way. So I want to move it this way because I told my mouse to do that. So I told my mouse to move this point to this point. So I told my mouse to move this thing over to this way to this way. Which is delta XY. Ideally, what this should do is that this is actually just like fuck ton of frames that just tells it, oh, I moved by 1 pixel, 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 and that's like listening for the drag. Draggable blueprint. What does this tutorial say? Drag.